how to use the table, and this table is also in your mind. So whatever the values here he has given, we can directly substitute. So I am taking the first sum. What is the first sum he has given here? Sin 45 value plus cos 45 value. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. You can check from the right side of the table. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So that becomes 2 by root 2. So I can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So I can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 will get cancels. So ultimately what is the answer? Root 2 is your answer. So this is all about the first sum. Come to the second sum. Cos 45 degree by secant 30 plus cosec 60. So how to solve this sum? As simple as that, just substitute the values. Cos 45, already you know that cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whole by secant 30. So secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So 1 by root 2 by 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. Same quantities. If we add, we will get it as 4 by root 3. So simplify this. 1 by root 2 into this 4 by 3. If it move up, it becomes reciprocal, root 3 by 4. So ultimately what we got it as? Root 3 by 4 root 2. If I want to further simplification, I can multiply root 2 by root 2, both the sides, both the numerator and denominator. So root 3 by 4 root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So just numerator I raised by root 2 and denominator is also I raised by root 2. I can do it. So root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Root 6 by 4 into 2. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So final answer is root 6 by 8. So this is our final answer. This is all about the second sum. Come to the third sum, third part. He has given here as sin 30. The sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45, it is 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 from the table is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. So this is about numerator by denominator. Cot 45 and tan 45. It takes same values. Sin 30 and cos 60. It takes same values. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. And cosec 60 as well as secant 30, it takes same values. So it is minus 2 by root 3. If you observe the numerator and denominator carefully. The numerator is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. The denominator also 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. So the numerator and denominator here is same. So whenever the numerator and denominator is same, the value, if you simplify, you will get it as 1. And this is about the third part. Come to the fourth part. Here he has given 2 tan square 45. So 2 tan square 45. So square 45 plus, I want to write tan 45 value, plus cos 30 value and its whole square, minus sin 60 value and its whole square. So this is how we have to do the problem. So tan 45, you know that very well, tan 45 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And sin 60, it is also root 3 by 2. If you observe carefully, so this is a square and this is minus a square, will get cancels. So 2 into 1 you will get. Why? Because of 1 square value is 1. So ultimately the final answer is 2. So this is about the fourth part. Come to the fifth part. The fifth part, secant 60 square, secant square 60. So secant 60 is nothing but 2 square minus tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 and square by sin square 30. Sin square 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2 and it's a square, plus cos square 30 degrees. Cos square 30 is, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. And we will simplify this one. So 2 square value is 4. So 2 square value is 4 here, and root 3 whole square. So what is the value of root 3 whole square? That is directly 3 by, if we observe the denominator, it becomes 1. I think it becomes 1. We will see whether it is 1 or not. So 1 by 2 whole square, that is nothing but 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 whole square, nothing but 3 by 4. So here 4 minus 3 is 1, and 1/4 and 3/4. So this is 25% and 75%. If we add this one, you will get it as 1. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 value is 1. So ultimately what we are getting it as 1. So this is all about the fifth sum. We did all 5 sums.